Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to connect YouTube to Discord. So as I am showing you guys on my mobile device, just simply open up the Discord application. Now you guys need to click on that little profile avatar icon. You can see bottom right side, click on that, and here you will be able to see user settings option. Now you guys need to click on connections, okay, and after that click on add. Okay, now scroll down and here you will be able to see that YouTube. Simply click on that YouTube, and you guys need to open that up with your Google Chrome if you have logged in your YouTube account using Google Chrome. Okay, now here you can see you guys need to select that account which where you want to connect your Discord server, and simply just click on allow. Okay, let's suppose I have just selected rahikdhunter@gmail.com, this email account for adding my YouTube to Discord. Okay, so this might take a couple of seconds to complete the process. Okay, now you can see that connected your YouTube account to Discord. You are successfully connect your YouTube account to Discord. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.